business, a delayed reply is a missed opportunity when you are managing dozens of WhatsApp messages manually every day. So in this video, we are going to solve this problem by building a smart automated WhatsApp reply system. So you can think of it as virtual assistant that instantly greet customers, provide them the services in the form of menus, and even collect customer details. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an automation tool provided by Pabbly. So now let me firstly show you the real-time working of the WhatsApp chatbot, which I have already built in, and afterwards we will build it step by step by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is you don't require any coding skills for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So right here I'm going to act as a user, where I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And right here you can see that I'm getting this welcome message with this button, that is view rooms. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my hotel booking business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. So here I'm going to select this button, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting a message consisting the list of the room types. So now let's open this list and check out the rooms. So here I'm getting some of the rooms options. So here I'm going to select this first option, that is deluxe room. And as I have selected this room type, I'm getting the image of this particular room with its all the details, including the pricing too. And here I'm getting this message which says, would you like to proceed with this room? And here I'm getting this button, that is yes. So I'm going to select it, and as I have selected this button, that is yes, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm going to just type it, and from the list you can select any of the list item or any of the room options. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, your users can check out the services in the form of menus, and afterwards we are getting this message asking for the check-in date. So here I'm going to enter the check-in date as 23 May 2026. So here I have provided the check-in date, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the checkout date. So here I'm going to enter the checkout date as 26 May 2026. So here I have provided the checkout date too, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the number of guests. So here I have provided the number of guests as 1. And as I have provided it, I'm getting my booking confirmation message. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, as a business owner, I don't have to ask for the details of my user again and again, and I don't have to provide my services to my customers again and again. And as a user, I'm very satisfied with this business, as I'm getting an instant response and I can book the service within the WhatsApp. So now you can also create or automate this entire setup for whatever business you are running. So now let's see the process of creating it, and for that let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing the URL of the Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow for creating this chatbot. And here, don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And here I have provided it the name, Scale Your Customer Service with a WhatsApp reply system. And here we are getting these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. And now here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword as well. So here I am going to enter the keyword, that is hello. So I am going to type it and press the enter key. And here our keyword is ready. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex, which is basically the short form for the regular expression, and it is used for the advanced user input. And now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. And for that, I'm going to use the text button node. So right here you can see that we are getting all these message nodes, which you can get from this message block too. So here I'm going to use the text button, by using which I'm going to send a welcome message to my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button to this message node by simply selecting this add button, and here I'm going to enter the button name as view rooms. And from this field of the button type, you can select either it is quick reply or link. Now here we have successfully created our button. Now if my user select this button, that is view rooms, I'm going to provide them list of the rooms available in my hotel. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this option for list. So in this list node, I'm going to add some room types available. But firstly, we have to provide the body to our list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section. And here I'm going to enter the section title as room types. And afterwards in this particular section, I'm going to add some rooms options. So for that, we just have to click over this add items. And here I'm going to enter the title of the first room type. So here I have entered the title of my first room type. Now likewise, I'm going to add some more items by simply selecting this add items again. So here I have added some more room types. Now if my user selects any of these room types, I want to get the response or the room type which my user has selected. And for that, we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here on the action blocks, you can see we are getting this node, that is set custom field, by using which I'm going to provide contact custom field to all these room types. So from here I'm going to select my contact custom field as room type. So now let me select it, and now this particular contact custom field will consist of the room type selected by my user. And now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. And if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to this page where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And now let's provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user select this first list item or the first room type, I'm going to provide them image of that particular room. So for that, we just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this option for media, so you have to select it. And by using the media button, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So right here I'm going to provide the image of that particular room. So here I'm going to select my media type as image. Now let's add the image over here. So right here I'm on my media library, where you can see all these images. So right here I'm going to select this image, that is deluxe room. And if you want to add a new image, to your media library, then you can just click over this add new image, and here I'm going to select it and click over this insert button, and right here the image has been added. And now I'm going to provide the details of this particular room, including its pricing too. So for that I'm going to just click over this add content, and here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node I'm going to provide the details of this particular room, and afterwards I'm going to create a button for booking this room, that is yes. So now let's enter the button name. So here I have created this button. Now likewise I'm going to do the same for remaining list items too. So here I have provided the images of all the room types which you can see, and here I have provided all the details of these room types. And now if my user select this button, that is yes, I'm going to ask them some questions for booking the room. And for that we are going to use this ask question node, where I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user or the customer. And let me firstly connect all these yes buttons with this question node so that my user can be redirected to this question node as soon as they select any of the yes button. And now here I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name. Now let's select the contact custom field as full name too, and now I'm going to select my format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add some more questions to this flow for booking the room. So here I have entered some more questions asking for the check-in date, check-out date, and the number of guests. Now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to provide them a confirmation message in the text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message, and with this we are done with our creation of our WhatsApp chatbot, which will help you to scale your customer services on WhatsApp. And now you don't have to manually interact with your customers, and you can even assign AI assistant to any of the buttons which will respond to all the queries of your customers. So now we have successfully created our WhatsApp chatbot, and don't forget to save it by simply selecting the save button. And right here we are getting this pop-up which means it is saved successfully. So now you can also automate the customer's conversation by just creating a WhatsApp chatbot. And you have seen how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.